If you want to drive traffic to your website, keyword research is the foundation of your content strategy. Here's exactly how I do it. Step 1, I start with a broad topic related to my niche, like email marketing or vegan recipes. Then I plug that into tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Ahrefs to uncover what people are actually searching for. Next, I look at search volume and competition. My rule of thumb? I go for keywords with decent traffic but low to medium competition. That's the sweet spot for ranking faster. Then I dig into long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases like best vegan recipes for weight loss. They might get fewer searches, but they usually convert better and are easier to rank for. Once I have my list, I group related keywords and create content clusters. That means writing several articles around a core topic, all linking back to one main post. This tells Google I'm an authority on that subject. I also check what's already ranking for those keywords. If the top results are forums or outdated content, that's a green light. It means I can create something better and outrank them. And don't forget user intent. Ask yourself, are people looking to buy, learn, or compare? Your content should match that intent exactly. Finally, I track my performance using Google Search Console to see which keywords I'm starting to rank for and where I can improve. Do keyword research right, and you'll not only get more traffic, you'll get the right kind of traffic. That's how you grow sustainably.